Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we will be learning in 3 simple steps how to fix the Google Chrome not responding. Follow the whole tutorial and it will be able to fix it yourself. So the very first thing here you are going to do is just open the task manager. Need to do a right click on the star icon and it will work on all versions of Windows. So once you have done the right click on task manager, so here in the task manager we need to go to the process tab and look for an application in the name of Google Chrome. Just close it so Google Chrome doesn't open it. Can be with many reasons, due to corruption or bug doesn't open, so we will close it first. So just look under the app and then under background processes as well, look for the Google Chrome. Once you find it, you need to do a right click and you need to click on end task reinstall Google Chrome. Once it's done, you just need to close this and here in the icon on your desktop, or if you have icon on your start icon, if you just need to click right click in the Google Chrome. Once you do that, there will be many options and we need to click on open file location. So here we go. Once you click on the open file location, a new window will appear, file explorer will appear, and you need to for the Google Chrome icon. So I can see it right here and we just need to rename it. I'll just do a right click and click on rename, or you can simply put the cursor on that Chrome twice and it will let you rename the Google Chrome. So I'll mention Chrome 1 here and I'll just click anywhere. It will ask you to select continue and I will do that, and the name will be changed and you will just need to do a right click and send to the create shortcut, or you can pin to start or add favorite if you want. If this doesn't work, then reinstall your Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.